The iPhone Flip, Apple's rumored entry into the foldable smartphone market, is generating significant excitement among tech enthusiasts and industry analysts. Expected to debut as early as 2026, this foldable iPhone is anticipated to feature a clamshell design, similar to the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip series, allowing the device to fold vertically for added portability. When unfolded, it could offer a screen size larger than the iPhone 16 Pro Max, making it an appealing option for users seeking both compact form factors and expansive display experiences. Apple is reportedly prioritizing innovative solutions to overcome challenges in screen durability, hinge reliability, and long-term usability, issues that have plagued earlier foldable devices from competitors. The iPhone Flip is seen as a strategic move for Apple, aiming to enter the rapidly growing foldable smartphone market while maintaining its reputation for premium quality and design innovation. While Apple has taken a more cautious approach compared to other brands, this strategy aligns with the company's history of entering markets only when it can deliver products that redefine the category. Analysts speculate that the iPhone Flip may also feature advancements in battery efficiency, cutting-edge materials for the foldable screen, and integration with existing Apple ecosystems, ensuring seamless functionality with other devices such as the iPad, Apple Watch, and MacBook. If successful, the iPhone Flip could not only reinvigorate iPhone sales but also set a new benchmark for what foldable smartphones can achieve, further solidifying Apple's dominance in the global tech industry.